Swizzy, the Dawn one. H.E.B. nigga. These haters mad when they see us niggas doing shit. The niggas acting like they know but they don't know us, bitch. We want that dope, nigga, cough it up. Cough it up. Cough it up. These haters mad when they see us niggas doing shit. These niggas acting like they know but they don't know us, bitch. We want that dope, nigga, cough it up. Cough it up. Cough it up. Wait a minute. We want that dope, nigga, cough it up. Cough it up. She want the dope, so she suckin' nut. Yeah. I got these niggas talking, cause they talkin' lot. I got your niggas on pause like your fucking stuff. Chasing this paper, do it for the wealth. I'm riding with my nigga Grizzy, we don't need no help. When it's time to eat, we get our belly swell. We the free for models, nigga, fuck Michael Phelps. We're hot now, but we ain't cooling down. This is H.E.B, so we don't fuck around. Nigga, just ask yo bitch how we cut it down. R.I.P. to the pussy, put it on the ground. We headed to the top, so there's no need to stop. No, what time is right now, so we don't need a clock. We got the fucking game on lock. All the shit by the throat, make it really cough it up. These haters mad when they see us niggas doing shit. The niggas acting like they know but they don't know us, bitch. We want that dope, nigga, cough it up. Cough it up. Cough it up.
I only smoke that fine shit, indigo, cannabis. If you want that grand shit, nigga, you gotta cough it up. If your bitch want it too, you know she gotta suck it up. Take this stick like a million fucking damn uppercut to the guts, I beat it up. H.E.B, halfing me, you know we fucking run the streets. Niggas tell me where to sleep, you lost in the gaze. Looking amazed, like how the fuck he make it out this motherfucking cave. I'm a beast, a monster. Call me a Loch Ness, got bands in my hands, you wear bands on your feet. I wear ones on my feet, so I'm stomping on your feet. At the bottom of my shoes, you can call them keys. Ice around my neck and I feel so hated. I smoke so much, tell a nigga get faded. This iced out nigga make two chicks eat it. Haha.
These haters mad when they see us niggas doing shit. The niggas acting like they know but they don't know us, bitch. We want that dope, nigga, cough it up. Cough it up. Cough it up.
I'm in that money making mode, ready, set, go. I don't know what you about, but I'm in my Lambo. You can see that Rambo, them niggas scramble, these hoes there go. Real damn low, you can see this motherfucker in that photo. Me when I jump on, I got that fofo, big guns, little kids run. Hope that was her son, no, that was his son. This is her grandson, ex-Mix Jackson. Do you wanna come round my big mansion? I got these big guns, I'ma go blast them. When I come around, these cops come say, why did you harass them? 2-4 2 Where my niggas be signing at? We don't fucking play on this side. B's up, nigga.